This video covers installation details of Thermon's Terminator ZP, FAK-2 and FAK-2L kit, for electrically heated tube trace bundles. Receiving, storing, and handling. Inspect materials for damage incurred during shipping. Report any damages to the carrier for settlement. Identify parts against the packing list to ensure the proper type and quantity have been received. And store in a dry location. Use the supplied dimensions for the Terminator ZP, FAK-2 and FAK-2L to ensure adequate space is available for proper installation. The following kit is required for power and end terminations. One kit is needed per heater and must be ordered separately. These are the recommended tools for installation of the Terminator ZP, FAK-2 and FAK-2L kit. Individuals installing these products are responsible for complying with all applicable safety and health guidelines. Proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, should be utilized during installation. Contact Thermon if you have any additional questions. Remove approximately 457 mm or 18 inches of the outer jacket and insulation from the ends of the tubing bundles. Use caution to not cut or damage the tubing or heat tracing. Trim both ends of the tubing to within 38 to 76 mm or 1½ to 3 inches of the end of the insulation. Use caution to not cut or damage the heat tracing. For zone-type heat tracing, strip back the bundle insulation 38 to 76 mm or 1½ to 3 inches beyond the bus connection indentation of each heat tracer. If the bus connection indentation is less than 305 to 381 mm or 12 to 15 inches from the end of the heat tracing, proceed stripping the bundle insulation to the next indentation. Make 90-degree elbow union connections, fittings provided by others. Test fitting for leaks before proceeding. Wrap tubing and heat trace with one pass of heat reflective tape with 25% overlap. Wrap with 3 passes of glass fiber tape with 50% overlap, or until fiber tape is equal to original bundle insulation thickness. Complete with an additional pass of heat reflective tape. Cut the FAK top and base to match the outside diameter of the tubing bundle. Mount the expediter base with O-ring to the FAK base using 3M5 mounting screws and lock washers. Punch out the weep hole in the expediter base. Form a gasket by applying RTV sealant to the FAK top and along the radius of the FAK base as shown. Assemble the FAK top, tubing bundle and FAK base together using 1032 panhead screws and kep nuts. Terminate the heat trace with the appropriate PETK termination kit. Refer to the PETK instructions for details not addressed here. At completion of termination, push excess heat trace back through expediter. For power connection applications, use the dimple molded into the side of the junction box base to center the hole. Drill for user-supplied power connection fitting per manufacturer's recommendation. Mount the junction box on the expediter, making sure to align the slots to properly orient the junction box base. Install the quick mount terminal block, twist to position and tighten. Complete system wiring between fabricated heat tracing and power supply wiring. Install the junction box lid and twist hand tight. Insert a screwdriver into the ratchet slot located on the side of the junction box base to tighten. The lid will rotate 30 degrees. To remove the lid, repeat in opposite direction. Completed Terminator ZP, FAK-2 and FAK-2L kit for electrically heated tube trace bundles. For additional information on this product, visit us on the web at thermon.com.